Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
You know the vibes.
Today guys, we're going down to the new supermarket building.
Like, kind of like a shopping center. Yeah, so it's pretty new, recently opened this year.
Yep.
And so we are gonna check it out. Portland been developing and thing like that, isn't it? So yeah, it's one of probably the biggest building in Port Antonio right now. So we're gonna check it out and see what it's all about, so yeah guys, let's go now. It's journey
with us. Let's go.
Gonna have to get a new bag soon.
What?
Getting a hold too, this bag.
Your bag?
Yeah, the inside and all of that is.
Why can't you get it fixed?
Because the material is not great to get it fixed.
Look at the stray dogs. You call them mongrels?
Let's just stay here because I'm not going in the sun.
Yeah, you're just lazy.
No, island is heavy. Island really heavy. I touch on my shoulder, my back, everything. This boy is not light, chubby. You, yeah. Think you're easy.
Alright guys.
So I try to get a taxi now. It's pretty close by guys, but we're here before work right now, so just take a taxi.
Big up to all our new subs.
Yeah man, big up to all of the subscribers, isn't it? Survive man.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Alright guys, so we're here finally. Babe's friend just dropped us off. So
We're there.
So we're here, and for all the Portlanders that have moved abroad, that haven't been here for a while,
I don't know this place.
and don't know this place.
Show them a view of the parking lot.
Welcome to, is it Bashko?
That's just
a store name.
Yeah, that's just a store.
Welcome to the lot.
Yeah, because you have fresh, but there's heaps of different places, so we are going to explore and see what's here, isn't it?
So this is the car park, guys.
Pretty huge.
So you'll see that slowly it's going to start getting really, really packed out here.
Yeah. Port Antonio High School is right across the road.
Yeah.
Which is known.
Just there, guys.
It's known as Compre as well.
Compre. So yep, and then JPS is right next door.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, Port Antonio High, guys, and welcome to this wonderful building that some wealthy person built.
A Chinaman.
A Chinaman. All right.
Yeah, not even a Jamaican.
All right, so we'll start from the bottom first, maybe. Yeah. All right. Let's see, guys. You've got eatery. They do ice cream and that. Wow. Very nice.
Some of them are still closed.
Yeah. And today, guys, seems to be this.
Bob Marley's birthday.
Yeah, Bob's birthday.
Yeah.
So big ups to Bob's, the legend of reggae music. So yeah, there's still a few other shops that haven't opened yet.
Yeah, some of them still closed.
Oh, okay, look at that.
Nice.
Beautiful.
You don't have to go far now to get some stuff that I need.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
Like how Portland develop, Yeah. This make a big difference in Portland right
Definitely. That's the same store, I'm guessing.
now. Different
Wow,
sections.
look at that TV cabinet. That's
this is like
beautiful.
hardware.
Furniture. Oh wow, baby store. Yeah, beautiful. Lovely. Okay, they sell baby car seats there, but they're like newborn baby stuff. Beautiful. Maybe we can go in there when we come back. No, we'll do a little round first. Yeah. All right. There you go, guys. Down there. Empty lots.
Rum, brandy.
Oh, liquor.
Oh,
What is
liquor.
it?
Like alcohol or something.
Liquorland. Oh, wow. Okay. That's interesting. So, buy your liquor. Nice. Beautiful, guys. And then you've got doctor's clinic, gynecologist. There you go.
Oh, this building has heaps of. I think it has almost everything at that
Everything.
old town building. Oh, this whole building has it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Wow.
Go. You enjoy?
Oh, there's walkers there.
There's one.
3,300.
What is there?
Walkers for island to sit on and walk on, but I'll have to leave it here for you. Can't take it with me.
Jesus.
Oh, the sun turned bright as anything.
Yeah, the sun turned up.
So guys, I'm just going to turn the camera around.
See them the walk, the full walk. Because when I cut in this video, guys,
There's the glasses.
Broadband. Broadband
To get your eyes checked. A medical centre, doctor's clinic.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Oh, that's a cute one, doctor.
Is it?
Yeah, that's him that I used to go at the private doctor.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, we had a little flag at the place.
What's in there? Just like
You want to come and look?
I will come after. I'm just gonna walk up and down.
Okay,
Yeah.
walk and then you'll come back, right?
All right. Cool. All right. There you go, guys. We got like little ovens in that, babe.
Yeah.
Rice cooker and stuff.
Yeah, they are.
Nice.
Is that the same place?
It looks like it.
Yeah. The brother inside, I look for me, so.
Yeah.
There's a guy inside just looking at me like serious, like I'm doing. What's your name?
Okay, ship wizard. Oh wow. Okay, here we go. Look at that, babe.
So
This is where
Yeah,
you
they're
come to
shipping.
pick up your stuff.
yeah, you can order online. and
Fashion Nova. Oh wow. All right, guys. There you go. Shop online.
get fresh coal. Okay.
I'll get a thumbnail somewhere else.
So fresh coal is like a juice. Kind
No, fruits and that, veggies and I think it's like a supermarket. Yeah. Babe, can you get my mask at the back?
It's gonna be cool. Which one? The small one?
No, big part. It's getting my mask, guys. Alright. Oh, it's just like a supermarket, baby. Do you want to go around first and then come up here, or what?
Yeah, make it do that.
Yeah. I don't know if they got an upstairs here or what.
Think so.
Ooh.
I'm hot. I'm hot, guys.
It's hot, guys.
I don't want island to burn up.
Let's go up the stairs. This is going to be the new hangout spot. People are going to go crazy around up here once it starts to get full up.
Sun is hot.
Smells like a food place.
Huh?
Food.
Oh, yeah.
Smells like fried chicken.
So, fresh go is not open.
Yes, it is. Downstairs.
Oh, downstairs. So, upstairs is what then? Same fresh go?
Looks like it. Hmm?
Hold it just a bit like firm when it shakes.
Yeah, you hold it.
I'm seeing something from afar. Look over there.
Wedding.
I've seen a wedding dress, guys, from far.
That means that people won't have to go far to Kingston to get wedding stuff.
Yeah. Just look at this, guys. This is the biggest building in Portland, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Sun, turn up for you. Whew. So there's heaps more to open, so I don't know what's gonna be the rest of those, you know, empty spaces.
Or even in here.
Yeah. Yes, there's heaps more to open. So let's wait and see.
Oh, hang on. They have a karaoke birthday parties and Stars Entertainment Complex.
Wonder if they're gonna have any cinema here.
No, Star Entertainment Complex.
Yeah, yeah.
So like singing stuff and all that.
Yeah.
So
you know what would have been
there you
great?
go, could be an opportunity for you.
Yeah, what would have been great if they have a cinema like what I just said. That would have been so great. We could have just come here and have like a date night here and all that.
Definitely. So wow. So it's like an entertainment for like people and stuff, like music and birthdays and all that. And the stage. Wow guys, check this out. It's amazing. And a bar. The people that want to drink. Yeah. There you go. It's amazing.
This place is the bomb. I feel like I'm in Kingston right now. This building alone, I feel like I'm in Kingston.
For real.
You can see the wharf here.
And then they have,
You can see the wharf.
oh
Where the
true,
boats are, the yachts.
Authority of Jamaica.
Yeah.
Nice guys. And this is a game store. Yeah. Virtual reality gaming arcade, guys. Yeah. That's amazing.
Game changers around here.
Yep, they're coming with game changers, guys. Go down here. Cafe for coffee and stuff.
Yeah.
I tell you, the owner of this building, very smart man.
And he owns the bakery, the Coronation Bakery. He owns it.
Fishing store. You want to go have a
Let's
look?
go in there for a second.
Yeah, they sell
Do we need one?
igloos. Yeah, we'll put our mask on. It's a nice little igloo. Mm,
A nice one.
definitely. Wow.
Oh,
Hello.
hello.
With their fishing gear.
Yeah. These are the fish shop ones.
Oh, really? Oh, wow, you can come here. Yeah,
Yeah.
look at that. It's amazing. There you go, guys. Fishing. Fishing at its finest. Wow. More fishing gear. Camping. How much?
What? How much?
What?
How much for that?
I don't know, ask the lady.
How much is the ammo?
10.
10.
10,000. Not bad. You got your ones from Kingston for 3, wasn't it? Or 2? I said they got
That's
like,
pretty,
oh, they got oil for car and stuff as well. They got speakers, boombox speakers, camping gear. The tent.
Camping tent?
Yeah. And how much is your tent?
Want me to go to the camera?
Okay, alright. We'll check back in then.
Yeah. Ooh, so that's like,
The gun, so when
oh, the flare gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a warm, that must be a warm jacket. This one. Hey, Bobo. It's nice, man.
Little clothes for the wall.
Yeah. Seriously.
body on it, so it's got the body and
The waist? Do you mean like the arm
yeah,
and
the
the
arms
waist?
and the waist.
Yeah. Sick. Yeah, guys, they have heaps of stuff.
Grills.
Yeah, spear gun. Yeah,
Amazing.
nice one.
Very nice. Well, at least you can.
Yeah, at least
Once
I
they
know
got the
everything.
price on the camping,
Yeah.
you can come back and have a look.
True. Alright, thanks. It's just,
Becky's Divine Delight.
yeah. Let's look at this view. Let's look at the view.
You food store.
You wanna know something, babe? When I was younger, this is where I also used to, me and my friends, my brother and all that, used to come here and swim. Right out that on that dock.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And we used to fish there as well too.
Wow.
Yeah. So this place is pretty well known.
I love the boat.
For you know.
I love boats.
Yeah, they repair the yachts and all of that. They clean them here and all of that, you know. So yeah, it's pretty nice, man.
That's amazing.
I love this. I'm loving this building. I'm loving it. Like
Yeah.
it literally has everything that you can find in the town,
Yeah.
and also more, because there's so much more that's here that's not in the town. So yeah,
True.
I have to say this again, guys. Like, yo, Chinese people, they're very smart and they're very dedicated to doing with business and all of that, because yo, if you guys don't know, I must say it again, he actually owns the Coronation Bakery, you know. And if you're a Portlander, you would know about Coronation Bakery, you see me? And he's the one that built this big shopping center, you see me? Just crazy, yo. It's a big game changer for Port Antonio though, that's for sure. Yeah.
So this place is going to be busy.
Yeah, this is just the beginning. Yeah,
So
man.
yeah, I'd love to go into the arcade game store
Yeah.
to see what kind of games they've got.
You want to check it out?
We can check it out, but I want to go straight down and then we'll come
Okay.
back again. Because it's at the end of the day, we're doing a vlog for the people.
Yeah, yeah. True, so we can come back at any time.
Yeah, we can come back anytime.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm really loving that entertainment center, guys. They have a full entertainment center here.
Yeah, man.
So that maybe when they have like an artist show like yourself, babe, you
Sure.
might be able to come here and perform.
It's
And
great,
he only
man.
lives around the corner.
Yeah, it's great. So, this place is amazing. Yeah, these ones not open yet still, so as you guys can see.
Look at these today's special.
A restaurant.
2.5.
Shit.
Ah, okay. The Italian jobs come here.
Oh,
That
they
used to
they moved their store. Their food.
maybe 2.
Yeah, maybe
They're running 2.
They're smart, very smart. But Jesus.
And there you guys go.
To the ladies then. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I can do a year. Now I'm going to town again.
No thanks.
I'm going to town again.
Oh no.
Ah.
I got bridal stuff.
Wow. You like want to buy this for you and marry you again?
No, why? No, I'm not planning to get married twice. Well,
Yeah, guys. So beautiful, huh?
sure.
Amazing.
Look at that. Well,
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I go down further. Oh, that's fierce. Oh, barber. Yeah. Barber shop here, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's see here now. Okay. Alright.
there you guys have it. So,
Yeah.
little walk through the new building just to see what it's all about.
Yeah, man.
And now we're going to go into Freshco.
Yeah, this place excites me, I'm not gonna lie. It has a vibe. Go on the stairs. Okay. So you get that, yeah. Oh, they sell patties, everything.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Alright. Catch you guys in Freshco?
Yeah, catch
Yeah.
you guys in Freshco.
Alright. Wanna hold the camera? Hold the camera?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to go to Freshco. Good afternoon. Hello.
You can send it to pick a temperature.
Okay. So there we go. We sanitized my hands and now we're going to take a temperature. 36.2. There we go. What do you got? 36.1. Huh? 36.2. My temperature's just a little raised up, guys.
I wonder.
It's hot.
I wonder you put in something else, I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. That's true. Shit. Oh wow, beans, guys. Here you can find beans and stuff here. Different kinds of beans.
Yeah.
Pigeon peas, all of that.
Yeah.
This is really good.
I'll be your camera guy.
Yeah, because people are like looking at me sort of funny.
Don't worry.
Alright, so what
You're
do
the
we
journalist.
need? I'm the journalist.
I'm the camera guy.
So corn flour and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I guess they sell meat here.
Restricted area first. I would think so, definitely. Babes, you want pine? Want pine? Yeah, one here looks nice, huh? What's our price? 180 per pound.
Is that normal?
You can get it for 150 certain place.
Oh, they sell meat there.
Yeah. What you want to get?
I don't know. What do you want to make?
I don't know. Can I get some?
Can we get like coal or something? And oh my god, guys, they have nectarines, babe. You've never tried these.
What is nectarine? What that was?
Oh my god, plums, nectarines.
I thought it was apple.
No? Kiwi fruit?
Yeah, I remember that.
You want?
Yeah. Get one of them.
Alright, so where are the bags though?
I don't know.
These are pears.
What? That's what you call a
They're
pear?
a pear.
Okay.
That's what we call pear.
I think, didn't we try it in Kingston?
Yeah, we tried the nicer ones.
Yeah. Can I get one same as too?
Yeah?
Yeah, get one of them.
We get one of one.
Yeah.
No, I don't know if they're fresh or not.
What's that?
Did you try the yellow apple, the green apple?
Don't remember. I don't remember trying it. One of them. Alright. Nice.
Cheese, you know I love cheese.
I know. Look, man. The chocolate range of cheeses.
Hershey's, yeah, that's a good American brand chocolate.
Really?
Yeah, you want to try?
I want to try it.
Oh my god. Chancho.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? Milk chocolate?
Yeah, small.
Yeah.
Any bigger Chicano.
Cookies and cream. Alright husband, what are we going to buy? What else are we going to get?
Let's explore one and see.
I might go get a little basket. I think I'm going to get a basket.
Yeah, we're gonna need one. Hey guys, this place is nice, man. Good baby. Island boy, you're quiet, sir. Island.
Yeah, you help me. Let's go this way, baby. So guys, you can come here and you'll find all your spices. This is something that I've been looking for in Jamaica for a very long time. When I cook my food, like my own food, you can find your spices here. So yeah, like I use in my cooking, I use paprika, I use parsley. Where's oregano? Here we go, romeo. They're the things that I use. Yeah. Interesting. There you guys go. That is awesome. Babe, what are we gonna have for dinner? Ooh, yum. The hot dogs. Yum. Oh my gosh, tacos. What the heck? Tacos. Yeah. How you make that now? So you buy your mincemeat. If they have mincemeat, you can buy mincemeat. You buy your refried frijoles, which is your beans, and your salad, your tomatoes, your lettuce, and cheese. And you cook your mince first, and then you put it all in.
I just picked up on what it. I just picked up.
Oh,
Yeah.
what a waste of time telling you.
No, it took me a while when I just.
Oh my gosh, this is the bomb. Noodles. They're noodles. They're very thin noodles. All you got to do is mix it hot water, and it's
like
already done.
someone.
Yeah, I know, but it's noodles. It's vermicelli noodles. I can't really say it properly, guys, but yeah.
Guys, this sounds like a plastic. What is?
Oh my god, rice flour. I can make Thai food.
I'm gonna try this, babes. You blow it like plastic.
You want to try?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so maybe I'll make something then. I'll make something then. All right. All right. All right. Okay. They got pancakes, guys. Pancakes, frozen pancakes.
Really?
Fruit salad. Jerk sausage.
You're stirring something.
You're not?
These fancy looking. I swear.
If you want shrimp, guys, you can come here and get it. They're quite dear. So a bag of shrimp is about 1,540.
Yeah.
The smaller ones, and then it gets more expensive.
Rainforest seafood.
Bassa's not that expensive. Bassa's 790 for one bag.
What a?
Bassa fillets.
Is that?
They're really
Fish.
nice. Yeah, you can fry them. Flour, put flour on them, like egg, flour, and then your your spices, obviously. And then you fry them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oxtail beef slice. That's beef. That's beef. Beef.
Beef. I wanna cook nothing like that since.
I don't know. Yeah, look, they look like it would take a very long time to cook.
Yeah, that's the thing. We don't have a pressure cooker.
That's the only thing I'm thinking.
Yeah.
They've got T-bone steak, guys. This is the first time I'm seeing T-bone steak. First time I'm seeing T-bone steak here. Pork chop, pork mince. Actually, you know what? I can actually make something with a pork mince. But those noodles. Huh? What are they? What are they? That in the middle, what's that?
I don't know.
Rib eye.
I have no idea.
Baby, best off we just get They just get the chicken from the meat shop. They just get a pound of chicken. Can you do you want chicken? Yeah. Yeah.
Want me to get the chicken?
Yeah. Are you gonna get apple juice? Chew juice? Apple?
Yeah.
Ask the guy to get it.
Apple you want?
Yeah.
Jenna, I'll pass on apple and chew.
Box on?
Yeah. Yeah. Respect. Hey guys. So.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Through here. Oh wow, look guys. All your kinds of hot soup stuff, pasta stuff. All up here. They got Parmesan cheese, what I was looking for the other day.
Babes, yeah, see these drinks? Most Jamaicans can tell you about this. All my Jamaicans know about chubby.
Yeah, it probably makes you fat.
As a child, you know, most kids remember this drink. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Chubby.
Are they selling at the store?
Yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen one though.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't seen chubby in a while, guys. Babes, I do our bros shopping, you know? Yeah. Can I tell the fans, them, the subscribers, that you're doing the shopping today, you know?
Am I?
Yeah, Babes gonna cook up something.
Yeah, Nutella. Oh my gosh, they got Nutella.
What is Nutella?
Oh, it's chocolate. You put it on bread and you eat it.
Oh, Jesus, that's chocolate.
This is Australian American. They know what that is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really nice. Chocolate sprinkles for ice cream. Oh, babe, you're lucky. You've got the shops right next to you.
Yeah,
You need
tell you.
milk. Milk.
So close.
Like full cream milk.
None?
Red velvet cake. I forgot to ask him if he does mince. Damn.
Oh,
Alright.
you put
Pampers.
this inside?
Pampers. Oh, okay, they're a lot cheaper here. They're $100 cheaper, but they don't have your size.
Oh. I mean, we have to go in at the town then.
No, you don't have to. Oh, well.
I don't think we can go and leave them today. So we are gonna have to go in the town.
Extra large. Would you buy these for $9.50?
Okay.
They're large. What size are they? 14 kilos.
Okay. Hey
Here,
boy.
you hold this.
The first mirror talk from up on the road.
You gonna hold that?
Yeah.
Alright, wipers we have.
Guys, babes love our cocoa butter since she got introduced to it. She love our cocoa
And guess
butter
what?
lotion. Wow. Oh, the big tins. Ah, tell you this store makes a big difference.
Doesn't it?
Yep. Usually we couldn't get the big tins in Port Antonio, guys.
I'm looking for soap.
So these are what, Jamaican made then? They have like the Jamaican flag on them.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. guys. A little shopping. Not much today.
Okay, so yeah, down in Kingston, it's a little bit cheaper, but yeah.
Oh.
I'll buy more baby food.
These are some different ones.
Yeah, they are
I've
too.
never seen these ones.
Like Island would not like them, right, Island?
Really?
Well, maybe we can try one.
Let's try one of them.
Let's try apple. We'll try apple. We'll try apple bubble. 6 months now, so you can have this one.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Next aisle.
Next one.
Sardines. Do you eat sardines?
Yeah, but not
Mussels.
Not
I'll
very
show
often.
They should have mussels.
Bobo. Island.
You good, babe?
Hmm?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Why is this 130?
This
More
one,
bright
high grade. Yep. Like kind of like the common soap, like most local would use it a lot. Yeah, so it's very cheap.
They sell the air fresheners.
Yeah. They have a lot that we only could have found in Kingston.
Yeah.
They have a lot here.
A lot more
I
here.
love this.
Bowls and glasses.
Yeah, you got your wine glass.
But I want to drink wine. Makes me feel like it actually.
Yeah. I think this is it. Don't know where shopping, guys. So, yeah.
Sorrel beer is actually cheaper than here than there are at the bars. Look,
Yeah. Yeah, I think
See, guys?
it would be cheaper here.
for one it's $2.10. Usually it's $2.50, $300,
Yeah, the bar it
At
would
the
be
bar.
more expensive.
and they sell them by the packs too.
Yeah.
Wicked. There you go. That's my favourite. Oh, Peroni.
Is that in Australia?
Asahi.
Those are in Australia?
Japanese. That's Italian. That's Italian.
Oh, can you get these in Australia?
Yes.
Oh.
And a lot cheaper though. Wow.
Good.
Alright. Ginger wine. It's Jamaican.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. We're good.
Alright. So that's it, guys. Alright.
Coffee. There's some coffee down there.
Yeah, them have heaps of alcohol, wine and all of that over there. Survive, guys.
You
What's
want-
this place called again?
I don't know. They don't have a name. But
Yeah, we're inside one of the store, guys. So there's some nice tables and stuff.
See the marble, guys? This is marble.
Yeah, the design. Nice, huh?
Beautiful, guys.
Yeah. You want this couch?
I love this lounge. Yeah.
This place is nice, man.
9,000. That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Just go and browse a little bit.
Around here.
Yeah, man.
Bobo, you see?
Look at them bed there. Yeah, you don't need a
You
mosquito.
can come back and buy a
Yeah,
bed.
yeah. Don't need a mosquito net for this one.
75. It's a little
See.
swing for him.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you don't need a mosquito for that, but they can only last until they're like full. you know,
Okay.
I think.
Yeah. Yeah, like some little bikes and yeah.
But they're for kids, babe. They're
Yeah.
for kids, babe.
I know. But of course, we ride that same way.
Are you serious?
Of course.
You will?
Of
You
course.
Will? Oh my
I'm
god.
like a kid same way. You know? Yeah, you know that. Island boy.
Just looking.
Island. Oh. Good?
Okay, so they got like the smaller baby carriers, but like for newborn babies.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not like for his age yet. Like, I mean, for his age. He needs a bigger one now.
Oh, we need
Oh yeah.
cartridge paper. Is it silicone cartridge paper?
I'm not sure what.
Can give me white.
Whites, yeah, whites. I'm just looking at the Teamy Topic.
Yeah. How much for that?
Kamala.
Oh, alright.
Alright, I'll hold this. So guys, they sell like school stationery stuff as well. And school bags, lunch bags. Nice. Baby bags.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's alright, I'm not filming you. There you go, guys, go. Baby prams and strollers. Alright, here you go. Alright guys, so we've done our shopping, we've done everything we need to do.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling tired and hungry and I just want to go home.
Yeah,
and
man.
yeah.
So this is what it's all about, guys. I also heard that I think it's either Knutsford, the bus company is gonna be down here as well. Didn't someone say that?
say that, yeah. Someone
Yeah.
did say that Knutsford's going to be coming here as well. So I
Yeah.
think it's probably really a good idea.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. There's so much stuff here you can find here
Yeah.
that you probably couldn't find in the town.
Yeah.
Like it's for real.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
this is Hope
That's
you
it.
guys enjoy this
Hope you
video.
enjoyed
Little tour.
a little tour around
Yeah.
the new building here. And yeah, it's been good, guys.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for joining us.
True.
All right. You
So-
have a blessed day wherever you are around the world.
Yeah, man. And we'll catch you in the next vlog.
Thanks.
Give thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Thanks for
Alright.
your subscription.
Thank you.
Blessings.
Bless.